Hello, in today's lecture video, we are going to cover the premises part in the unit second. So let us begin with the premises part. What are the things that we need to cover in premises? There are basically 4 to 5 things. Now we are going to cover the first one, that is construction and layout. Okay, so the very first thing is design, construction and layout. And design, construction and layout, we have to study what are the basic, what is the meaning of premises. Who all don't know, we should know what is the meaning of premises. Premises means it refers to the building or the facilities or the area where manufacturing has to be done, where pharmaceutical manufacturing has to be done. Okay, that is called premises, the area or the building or the facilities which are required to perform a pharmaceutical manufacturing. Now in the first part of premises is design, construction and layout. uh, what should be the design, how the building should look, what are the inside interior design, how it should be done to perform an easy task, an easy way of manufacturing. Then the construction, how it should be constructed, one room or the two rooms, how the room should be similar or different due to different reasons. And the layout means the structure, the flow chart of the interior premises. Okay, so we have to know about the thing. First of all, the premises, as I told you, it means the area should be clean, it should be pollution free, it should be near to the uh, population but not near to the pollution. Okay, pollution will be harmful because the manufacturing work will be done there. So nearby there should be air facility, there should be light facilities. Okay, there should be water facilities nearby, so that our plant can be easily provided with those facilities. So those kind of areas should be done. It should be an industrial area, okay, where manufacturing can be easily it should be, the area should be near to our raw materials, where the raw materials can be easily available. So that kind of premises and that kind of location we should look for. Uh, Now let us know about the layout. Now there are basically 4 types of layouts which we are going through. The first will be production layout. It is also called one line layout. Okay, what is the meaning of product layout or one line layout? That means the first step includes sampling, second step include weighing, third step include the processing in which we require machines, fourth step will require packaging, fifth step will require dispensing. This is the basic I've concised. Okay, so now product line means the process should be done in one way, in one line accordingly. We need sampling at the first step. So sampling area, sampling facilities, okay, sampling the raw materials should be available there. In the second step we need the weighing. So in the second step the weighing should be nearby, it should be the next room. Okay, it should not be very heavy that we can't even lift it to the next room. There should be ramp or like that, so that it can be easily lifted and brought to the weighing room. Weighing room should contain different types of weighing machines, okay, where workers should be also available, it should be, machine should be also available. Then the third step should be the processing, so different kind of machine, tablet machine, there should be also available. So the next step, we have to prepare the rooms or the areas or the equipments line by line, so that we should not look after different areas. It should be done in one line, so that we know we can, so the SOPs also can relate line step by step. That is called one line. What are the advantages of one line? it can reduce the manpower, it can reduce the time, it brings the clarity. Okay, so that is called one line or product layout. Then the second is process layout. Process layout. Okay, it is also called uh, functional layout. It is also called functional layout. Now we can know from the name that process layout means we are talking about the equipments. Okay, we know that different kind of equipment should be available, because different types of or different bulk of materials we require. Sometimes we are making the bulk of medicine only of 50 medicines at one bulk. Sometimes we are going in 2000. So we need different types of machines. We have to have small machines as well as big machines. Okay, so that our process can be easily function. Okay, so in one area different types of um, uh, equipment should be available. Okay, now we have to maintain that according to their function. Equipments with similar function, with similar uh, process should be uh, kept in one area. Okay, so that is called process layout or functional layout. Now the third one is the third one is the fixed position layout. That means a particular product is processed in one fixed position. Okay, or say it is processed in one particular at a fixed process. Okay, so that is called fixed position or location layout. Now the fourth one is combined layout. Combined layout will include the first and the second one. Okay, different types, same type of machines with same process, with same procedure or same mechanism should be kept in one room, and also there should be link between the first and the second step. So these can be combined to give a better output and save time. That is combined. Only the drawback of the layout is that it can be costly. Okay, so that's all for this premises video. Thank you so much.